The Dilution C1v1 Interactive Calculator solves the fundamental dilution equation to find any missing variable in your dilution calculations. Let's explore the interface. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options. Calculate initial volume V1, calculate initial concentration C1, calculate final volume V2. Calculate final concentration C2, calculate dilution factor, or calculate solvent to add. I'm using calculate initial volume V1. Next, choose your concentration units from molarity, millimolar, micromolar, percent, mg, ml, or parts per million. I've selected molarity. Then pick your volume units from milliliters, liters, microliters, or gallons. I'm using milliliters. Now enter your known values in the 4 input fields. Initial concentration C1, initial volume V1, final concentration C2, and final volume V2. For this example, I've entered 10 for initial concentration C1, left initial volume V1 blank since we're solving for it, 10 for final concentration C2, and 10 for final volume V2. After clicking Calculate, the result value shows 10,000 ml, which is our required initial volume. The dilution factor reads 1.00x, meaning no dilution occurs. Stock to add displays 10,000 ml, and solvent to add shows 0.000 ml, confirming we need the full 10 ml of stock solution without any additional solvent. This calculator streamlines your dilution calculations for any laboratory application. Find the link in the description below.